This is the baby of the Walther pistols and is truly a vest pocket type, as it is barely 100 millimeters in length. It is one of the smallest 25 auto caliber pistols and is a very attractive piece. It was put on the market in 1921 to compete with several other Westentaschen and baby models of other makes. Subcompact striker-fired pistol. The Model 9 is similar in size and function to the baby Browning pistol, which is only slightly larger. It has a fixed barrel and an open top slide. Black checkered plastic grips with round medallions used as grip fasteners. It has a striker-type firing system. The rear end of the pin protruder from the slide when the firing strike was cocked. The upper part of the slide is cut away to expose the full length of the barrel, and fired shells are ejected upward as the extractor is at the top of the breech face. As there is no ejector, the shell pivots on the end of the firing pin, which serves as an ejector. The thumb safety is on the left side, in front of the grip plate where such a device should be for convenience, and has to be pushed upwards to fire. The spiral recoil spring, as in the first model, is located below the barrel and in this model has no guide. The Walther Model 9 was the last in the number series pocket pistols. It's a modern version of Model 1. During the World War II was very popular with Luftwaffe pilots to carry as hidden insurance.